Welcome to our channel. Today, we're teaching you how to play Fox in the Forest, a beautifully designed trick-taking card game for 2 players that will test strategy and memory. In this game, you will be competing to win sets of cards, but be warned, winning too many will actually lose you points. Let's get started. To set up, shuffle the 33 game cards and deal 13 to each player. The rest are set aside as a draw pile, with the top card turned up next to it and set as the decree card. Keep your hand hidden from the other player. Now, each round consists of a series of 13 turns for each player called tricks. Every trick, both players will play 1 card from their hand face up into the middle. One player will lead and the other player will then follow. Based on the 2 cards that are played, one player will be said to win the trick. At the end of a round, which is when both players have no more cards to play, players will see how many points they scored based on the number of tricks they won. Winning too many will cost you. There is a sweet spot to hit. The game proceeds through several rounds until one player is the first to reach 21 points. Alright, let's understand the cards. There are 3 suits in the deck: the moon, the key, and the bell. When one player leads with 1 suit, the other player must follow suit, which is to say, play another card of the same suit. In this scenario, assuming no special abilities indicated on the card are activated, the player with the higher number will win. If you don't have the suit in your hand, only then can you play any other card, including those from the trump suit, from your hand. Abilities on the cards are still valid. Let's learn about special abilities now. Odd-numbered cards have special abilities. The Swan. If you play this and lose the trick, you lead the next trick. The Fox. When you play this, you may exchange the decree card with a card from your hand. The change in what the trump card is takes effect immediately. The Woodcutter. When you play this, draw 1 card. Then, discard any 1 card from your hand to the bottom of the deck face down. Treasure. After each trick, the winner receives 1 trick for each 7 in the trick. The Witch. When determining the winner of a trick with only 1 9, treat the 9 as if it were in the trump suit. The Monarch. When you lead this, if your opponent has at least 1 card in the lead suit, they must play either the 1 or their highest. After all tricks have been played, score the round. Hopefully you were victorious, but not too greedy. To set up the next round, shuffle all 33 cards well and distribute 13 cards again to each player as you did previously. You can play up to 21 points for a game of standard length, but 16 or 35 points for a shorter or longer game is fine too. And that's it! Fox in the Forest is a charming, beginner-friendly addition to the world of trick-taking games, and we hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this tutorial, like, share, and subscribe for more game guides. Let us know in the comments which game you'd like to master next.